Welcome to the world of Agile project management, where the Scrum Master takes center stage. Acting as a team's trusted guide, facilitator, and the servant leader, they create an environment of collaboration and continuous improvement. With executional communication skills and a commitment to Agile principles, the Scrum Master ensures seamless coordination, removes obstacles, and empowers the team to deliver exceptional results. They guide the team and help them overcome obstacles, embrace change, and foster a culture of innovation. With the Scrum Master expertise, your team will soar the new heights, achieving remarkable outcomes in the dynamic world of Agile project management. So, are you ready to dive deep into the world of Agile Scrum technology and gain immense growth in your career? Then Certified Scrum Master Certification Training course is the right choice for you. Some key features of this course includes 2-day online virtual classes, 2 years membership with Scrum Alliance, 20 PDUS and 16 SEUS, include CSM exam fees as well. By the end of this course, you will be skilled with Scrum and Agile methodologies, importance of Agile Scrum lifecycle, Scrum methodologies, daily Scrum and roles involved in Scrum and distributed Scrum. Companies like JP Morgan, IBM, and Accenture are hiring Scrum Masters with competitive salary. So, what are you waiting for? Hurry up and enroll now. Find the course link in the description box below. So without any further ado, let's begin.
Being a Scrum Master entails a substantial level of responsibility. Opting for a career as a Scrum Master can unlock numerous lucrative prospects across different industries and organizations. Many individuals who embark on their Scrum Master journey aspire to explore opportunities beyond the confines of the role. If you are eager to enhance your skills, gain novel insights, and pursue fresh opportunities, you can progress towards becoming a Scrum coach, project manager, product owner, or other related roles. Here are the top 10 ways to become a skilled Scrum Master. Number 1. Develop a comprehensive understanding of Agile and Scrum. Familiarizing yourself with Agile principles and Scrum framework. Immerse yourself in books, articles, and online resources that covers the fundamentals of Agile methodologies. The next on the list we have is attend Scrum Master trainings. Enroll in a Scrum Master training program which will provide in depth knowledge about Scrum practices, roles, and responsibilities. On number third, we have actively contribute to Agile community. Engage with the wider Agile community by sharing your knowledge, insights, and experiences. Participate in Agile meetups, forums, and online discussions to exchange the ideas with fellow professionals. By actively contributing, you can expand your network, gain valuable perspectives, and contribute to growth and advancement of Agile practices. On number fourth, we have apply Scrum knowledge practically. Look for opportunities to apply Scrum principles in real world scenarios. Seek out projects or teams that adopt agile practices and offer assistance as a Scrum Master or Agile team member. Moving towards number 5, gain experience as a Scrum team member. Actively participate in Scrum teams to gain practical knowledge. Collaborate with Scrum Masters and observe their facilitation of Scrum events, impediment removal, and promotion of self organization. At number 6, we have expand your Agile toolkit. Deepen your understanding of complementary Agile practices and frameworks such as Kanban, Lean, and Extreme Programming. Acquiring knowledge of these approaches widens your perspective and equips you to handle diverse situations. On number 7, we have seek mentorship and guidance. Connect with experienced Scrum Masters or Agile coaches who can provide mentorship and guidance. Learn from their experience and insights to accelerate your growth as a Scrum Master. Moving towards number 8, foster continuous learning and improvement. Stay up to date with latest trends, practices, and advancements in Agile methodologies. Attend conferences, join Agile communities, and engage in ongoing learning to refine your skills as a Scrum Master. On number 9, we have embrace servant leadership. Cultivate a servant leadership mindset focusing on supporting and enabling the Scrum team. Foster on culture of collaboration, trust, and continuous improvement within the team. Last but not the least, on number 10, we have obtain Scrum Master certification. After completing the training, pursue certification as a Scrum Master. Certifications like Certified Scrum Master (CSM) or Professional Scrum Master (PSM) validate your Scrum expertise and enhance your professional credibility. As you gain experience and knowledge, consider pursuing advanced certifications such as Advanced Certified Scrum Master (ACSM) or Certified Scrum Professional (CSP). Additionally, explore the opportunities to transition into more senior roles such as Agile Coach, Agile Project Manager, or Product Owner. Check the wide range of Scrum Master certifications by Simplilearn to gain a successful career. In conclusion, becoming a skilled Scrum Master requires a comprehensive understanding of Agile and Scrum, attending training programs, actively contributing to Agile community, gaining practical experience, expanding your Agile toolkit, seeking mentorship, fostering continuous learning and improvement, obtaining Scrum Master certification, and exploring advanced certifications. By following these steps, you can embark on a rewarding career as a Scrum Master, driving successful projects and enabling teams to thrive in agile environments. Embrace the challenges and stay adaptable and enjoy the journey of contributing to ever-evolving landscape of agile methodologies. If you like this video, share it with your friends and do not hesitate to post your questions in the comment section. Our experts will be happy to answer. To stay updated on recent technology trends, consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from Simplilearn. Thanks for watching this video.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.